Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may actually look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's really just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think this is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just say Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So really the big question going forward, and what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level down here a little bit now that we have more data, because the accurate level seems to be right there at 92.60. And question number one, like I said, let's just say you're watching this Sunday afternoon. So the first question you need to ask yourself is, where is the price at relative to 92.60? And that is important because 92.60 has essentially become the bottom portion of this overall channel that I've talked about time and time again in past videos. So, I mean, you just go through the history of the chart and you can see overall, this has been a very broad channel. And again, the bottom of the channel being down around that level. But that is, as of right now, right where the price is flirting with it. Now, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding strong there. But given the price is so close to potentially breaking it as of the recording of this video, like I said, it makes sense for that to be the first question you ask yourself. Now, if you do answer that question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is down below that green line. The next immediate question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,000, which is that secondary support down there? If on Sunday afternoon or whenever you're watching this video, you're also answering the question that the price has gone down below 9,000, at that point, that would just be telling you that the bears have had themselves a very, very impressive weekend, and that not only is the chart getting weaker and weaker, but that the bearish momentum is actually picking up quite a bit, because that would take quite a bit of bearishness to first off break down through that first green line, and then second off to get it all the way down to that point. But then even after all that, if the price can actually then push down through it, I mean, that would just be a lot of bearishness. And I'm not saying that's what will occur, but that is why that 9,000 mark is pretty important going forward over the weekend. Now, in the event, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually still above that green line. The next immediate question you want to ask yourself in the near term is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,600? And I've talked about this level over and over again in the past videos, but it still 100% pertains. So if you're saying, well, Clay, actually, it's Sunday afternoon and the price is up above 9,600, don't get me wrong, there's still work to be done, but that would certainly be a very, very solid step in the right direction. The overall and next big bit of work that would need to be done is in regards to the top part of that channel, which I already talked about at the beginning of the video, and that's up there at the 10,000 mark. But if somehow you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is now above 10,000, that would just be telling you that Bitcoin is having a crazy, crazy strong weekend. So I suppose that can happen. But overall, these are going to be the main levels to watch, questions to ask yourself moving over the weekend. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.